Hello, I am Sabah. Today we will learn how to import questions in Question Bank. Open Chrome, write lms.umt.edu.pk, press enter, enter your login details, login, press login, go to dashboard, select course where you want to add questions, go to gear icon, click on more at the end, scroll down, this is your question bank, click import, select icon format, scroll down, this is where you will upload your Word file, minimize this window, open Word document and start writing your questions. Write option here, select these options, your bullet points must be in capital ABC. Similarly, write your answer in capital letter. Write here your option, correct option. You can add another question. What is the color of leaf? Red, blue and green. Select it and must be capital ABC. Write answer in capital letters and write correct answer. You can add more questions. You must have to follow this same format, otherwise your file will not import. Now save your file. Write your file name. Select plain text and save it. OK. Now your file is created. Open your LMS again. Click on a choose file. Select question file. Upload this file. Import. These are your two questions. Then click continue. Now your file is import in question bank. In this way you can add your questions in question bank. Thank you.